The first question is, what is a baguette? The correct answer is D, loaf of French bread. Question 2. Dry fortified wines are best served as aperitifs to stimulate what? The correct answer is B, appetite. Question 3. Chicago likes a deep dish. New York prefers a thin crust, and St. Louis likes an even thinner crust. What food is this? The correct answer is B, pizza. Question 4. Which of these foods is not a vegetable? The correct answer is D, tomato. Question 5. A banana split is traditionally served in what transportation-themed dish? The correct answer is C, boat. Question 6. Yakitori is grilled chicken kebabs, served most typically in what country? The correct answer is D, Japan. Question 7. Which famous candy company founded a popular theme park? The correct answer is C, Hershey's. Question 8. From East Asia, daikons are large, white, milder versions of what other root vegetable? The correct answer is D, radish. Question 9. A wine punch called sangria gets its name from what substance, which the resulting concoction may remind you of? The correct answer is C, blood. And the last question is, Americans renamed French fries Freedom Fries during the Iraq War. And at one time, what did they rename Liberty Cabbage? The correct answer is C, sauerkraut. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.